The march of artificial intelligence is reshaping the job landscape, but not all roles will weather the storm. As AI's capabilities surge, certain professions stand on precarious ground. Let's delve into the jobs most vulnerable to AI's relentless advance. Data entry clerks, once keystrokes personified, now face obsolescence as AI algorithms outpace human accuracy and endurance. Telemarketing and customer service, too, are yielding to the relentless efficiency of chatbots. On the factory floor, assembly line workers watch as robotic counterparts perform with unerring precision. Retail workers, from cashiers to stock clerks, find their tasks usurped by self-checkout kiosks and automated inventory systems. Even the meticulous world of bookkeeping and accounting clerks is not immune, with AI automating financial reports and reconciliations. And as autonomous vehicles edge closer to reality, transportation workers brace for impact. The AI wave is inevitable, and adaptation is key. For those in threatened roles, the time is now to pivot, upskill, and embrace the new opportunities born from AI's transformative touch.